Ava, smile. Cheese, yeah.
Here, let's look at this. This is
Taylor!
how pretty is that? It's
Yeah.
It's a towel. Okay, well, this
This is to everybody. This is
Motoring through them.
here. You can open this one, but this is to all of y'all. All y'all. All y'all.
Here, I'll let you open this. I'm trying to get this video. Oh, Ava.
Finally, did you see the tag?
Mama made it. I love it.
Okay, and
Nice.
I'm gonna go ahead and tell you this. This is what I kept bugging Brian about.
Well, she didn't know.
Tonight we may be done.
Okay, hold on.
And you can try
She didn't know you were bugging me about that.
I'm gonna fold it so it's not all ruined.
No?
Hush.
Is that for you?
You are insane.
What is it?
That's from Uncle Joe. Say thanks to Joe.
Yeah.
Maybe something on the floor here.
What in the boys is that? A flag? Is that a Hogwarts flag?
Banner.
Of who? Hogwarts? Learn? Yeah.
This is so cute. This towel with her name on it.
Oh,
I love the colors.
yeah.
Yeah.
As much as you do,
That
doesn't it?
tough paper? That's the tough paper. Oh my god.
All right.
Yeah, it has, it's for all of us.
Taylor, get a picture of Taylor. Well, we didn't get either. Man. Just Taylor.
Woo, we can wrap this. Oh, that's cool. Like dragons.
Taylor, catch.
That makes fancy lights. Where's you?
You like opening stuff?
Another Ava.
Take a picture of
Ava,
Taylor.
look at
Nice.
this Christmas. Here you go, Brian.
Oh, Taylor, come on.
What is that?
Hold up your Reese's there for Joe to take your picture.
What's in that? What is that with your name on it, Taylor?
This is too big.
Taylor, what is that with your name on it?
I'll figure this out.
All right.
Ow.
You get.
Do we have all the papers?